Understanding Farm to Table, a simple guide. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to explore the fascinating concept of farm to table. This phrase is not just a trend, but a movement towards healthier and more sustainable eating. Let's dive in to understand what farm to table really means and why it's important. Farm to table refers to a movement where food is sourced directly from local farms, minimizing or eliminating the processing and transportation stages typically involved in food distribution. It emphasizes direct relationships between farmers and consumers, ensuring fresher, healthier, and more sustainable food options. This approach supports local economies and reduces environmental impacts caused by long-distance transportation of food. One of the key benefits of farm-to-table is freshness. Food that doesn't travel long distances is fresher and often more nutritious. Secondly, it promotes sustainability by reducing the carbon footprint associated with transporting food. Moreover, it supports local farmers and communities, ensuring that money spent on food goes directly to those who grow it. The farm-to-table movement has a significant impact on communities and the environment. It fosters a sense of community by connecting people with local farmers and food producers. Environmentally, it leads to reduced pollution and conserves energy, as the distance food travels from farm to consumer is drastically cut down. It also encourages sustainable farming practices, as local farmers are often more accountable for their methods. Participating in the farm-to-table movement can be simple. Start by visiting local farmers markets and buying directly from producers. You can also join a community-supported agriculture (CSA) program, where you receive a portion of a local farm's produce regularly. Additionally, consider growing your own food in gardens or community spaces. Thank you for joining me today to learn about farm to table. This movement isn't just about food. It's about building healthier communities and a more sustainable world. I hope this video inspires you to explore local food options and contribute to this wonderful movement. Stay healthy and see you in the next video.